Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have two different job updates. So the first company, that is Lenovo of campus, is hiring, and the second one is KAAR Infotech. So we shall quickly see the job details and everything for each of these companies. So the first company, that is Lenovo of campus, is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for web developer, and the experience needed, so it is for freshers, and the salary of the CTC, so 8 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Bangalore. So then coming to the eligibility criteria for this particular job role, so the qualification needed, so it is for B or BTech graduates with any streams, so either computer science, information technology, or any streams. Those who has knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so they are eligible to apply. And the batch eligible, so there is no particular eligibility criteria like any year of pass out. So those who are willing to start your career in web development, so those are eligible to apply for this particular job role. So coming to the skills that are needed, so as they are hiring for web developer, you need to be strong in programming languages such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and familiarity with the network diagnostic tools. And it is good to have knowledge of front-end frameworks, like if you have knowledge of React and all, so it will be an added advantage to apply for this particular job role. And then you need to have knowledge on various tools like Git as well as Jira. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So coming to the selection process, so first step is like there will be technical assessment, and the second round will be technical interview, and the third round will be HR interview. So these are the 3 rounds that are included in the selection process. So coming to the application link, like first you need to create your account, you need to register with all the credentials. So you can just click on new user and you can create your separate account. Then later you can just log in and start filling your application. So the second company, it is KAAR Infotech of campus, is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for .NET web developer, and the salary of the CTC they are offering, it is 6.5 to 16 LPA, and the experience needed, so 3 to 7 years of experience is needed to apply for this particular role. And the location is either, work location is either Hyderabad, Coimbatore, Erode, or even there is work from home option. So these are the job details. Coming to the eligibility criteria, so qualification, it is for B or BTech or ME or MTech with any streams are eligible to apply. And the percentage criteria, so 75%, minimum 75% is needed in graduation, and the batch eligible is either 2023 or 2024 graduates. And the work mode, so even work from home option is available, and even hybrid, so both you can opt. So coming to the technical skills which are needed, so you need to have minimum 2+ years of experience in web application development using ASP.NET or .NET Core, C# programming, and knowledge of web API as well as MVC, model view controller, and knowledge of link as well as entity framework. And you need to have knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so these are the mandatory skills, and knowledge of jQuery is needed. So these are the technical skills. So link is like language integrated query, so you need to have knowledge of these skills. Like while applying, so you need to mention the years of experience. So while applying for this form, so they'll ask like how much years of experience, work experience you have, like using web API, and work experience with LINQ, so you need to mention accordingly. So do mention everything accordingly. So if you have experience and if you have worked on all these technologies and everything, then only you can apply. You need to mention the correct experience, everything for this role. And apart from technical skills, you need to have excellent communication skills. So levels of interview, so the first level of interview, it will be online assessment, and the second level, so there will be online technical interview, and the third level will be HR, final HR discussion. So these are the 3 rounds, and all the rounds will be conducted online itself. So there are some of the important deadlines. So the last date to apply, you need to apply before 16th April, that is 15th April 2024 is the last date. And those who match the eligibility criteria, they will receive the online test link on 15th April 2024. And the online test date, so it is 16th April 2024. And those who clear online written test, so they will be eligible for further levels of interview, that is technical interview, which will start from 18th April 2024. So this is urgent hiring. So you'll get the, like those who are shortlisted, they will get the mail on 15th April for the written test. So once you clear that, further rounds will be done. And to apply, you can just apply through naukri.com, or you can just send an email to this following email ID. And the notice period, like if you are working in any of the company, and the notice period, it should be 15 to 30 days, then only you are eligible for this. So coming to the application link, so you need to mention your details, personal details, and there will be few questions related to work experience and whichever technologies you have worked, like experience with .NET and experience with the frameworks and tools. You need to mention the experience, and you can just submit the application form. So the link for both of these two jobs, so it will be provided separately in the description. You can quickly go and apply for this job roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.